Hey guys, I just want to make a quick video on the BTI Gauge that I got from Sound Performance. Just want to give you my review on it and why I think it's a great gauge to have if you're running a EMU Classic or EMU Black. Highly recommend if you have an EMU Black because it's a plug and play. Just have to pin in 4 wires, which is high, low, cans, which I'll show you in a second, and then also your 12 volt and ground. So just want to give you a quick video of this. You got your gauge, you got 2 screens. This just goes right in. It's pushed right in. It doesn't come off. Obviously it eliminates the coin tray, gets rid of it, but I mean this fits right in and it's nicely flushed. So I just want to put the car in the on position. All right, so this is a preference. There's different screens as well. I like this screen from my left side, just so I can see obviously everything: oil pressure, fuel pressure, injectors, and etc. And obviously there's other screens as well. Here obviously I have my boost and the AFR, but you can go through different screens, and there is one screen which I do need to talk to Sound Performance or BTI. It for some reason it freezes, but for a second, I don't know if it's like a load, but it does move after a while. But we can go through the screens. See, I believe this is the screen that has a tendency to freeze. So we'll go back the other way. Temp, obviously the same screen. So I like this. You got your fuel, oil, and a volt and everything else. So this is nice. And then back to this screen, and see, you notice it has there's a little bit of delay. I don't know why for this screen it has a tendency to freeze up, but other than that, I mean, I think this is an incredible gauge to have if you're running a EMU Black or a Classic. Obviously, it gives you all the reads. I originally had a tablet up here, and it was like 8-inch, and it was just all up on your face, and it looked ugly, and I had to take the gauge out whenever I went somewhere, and because of the heat, it has a tendency to heat up. But this, on the other hand, is, I mean, it works great. I haven't really driven the car out because I just recently installed this, but from what I've been told, this should work perfectly fine in the heat if you leave the car outside. Let me go back to where I was. I don't know why that has a tendency to freeze up, but here I'm gonna try to start it up, show you guys exactly how the gauge works. So this is a cold start. So my AFRs are going to be a little rich because I am running E85, and I still need a little bit of tune since I just moved over from Classic to Black. Just don't want to let it run for too long, but on that, you will get nice instructions from Sound Performance. I believe Sound Performance created this instructions. It gives you pretty much how to, sorry, I ripped my page out, but it gives you instructions exactly how to set up the gauge, and then also where to plug in the pins on your EMU Black. I believe you should have some instructions for Classic in here. I didn't go that far, but there's other instructions as well here where you can load your boost and traction. And But yeah, I think it's an incredible gauge to have. It's a must buy.